The refrigerator is 20, you said 20?
20 and a half
20 and a half inches, the refrigerator.
wide.
Wide.
And you need the height?
Yeah.
Yeah, you take this. You over that.
She's gonna kill me.
Yeah. All right, and then, yeah. And then you can do all that tomorrow.
Yeah, but we really can. He's wanting me to do it while I'm here. And the refrigerator is 22 inches wide.
Yeah, remember, you can't have it to the side.
Oh, cool.
And there's a carpet that's going to go down on here. That carpet stays.
Huh?
The carpet, she moved it so that she can clean it, and it goes over here.
Oh.
It's a carpet. Do you need a carpet? I mean, that's a carpet. You don't need it. Otherwise, I'll take it.
It's ugly.
Huh?
It's ugly.
It's ugly? Okay.
We just get a throw rug.
All right, okay, let me get
That
it.
is ugly.
Okay, let me get it. Okay, no problem.
I'm glad that you take it. Let me see it again.
Okay, hold on.
I'm sorry. Oh, no, you can take that.
Yeah.
Well, we'll get a nice throw rug. Can you do me a favor?
What's that?
Where's that thing at? Oops, can you hand me that measuring tape? And I won't bother you no more.
All right, thanks.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay.
So you know how to use it? I'm going to throw this away.
Thank you. Okay. Trying to measure this. That is 77 feet. The living room is 77 feet, baby. See, from here to here. Then we have here. I'm gonna leave her alone.
Okay.
Okay.
All right.
He wanted to see that. It's nice. I love it.
Okay, good.
Thank you.